Hey there, IT team. I am going to do something fun today. I'm going to teach you how to put a GIF in Zulip. Okay, so we've got our Zulip open here. I am going to let me exit out here, open it up again, excuse me. I use Giphy.com. It's super fun and easy, has a lot of good stuff here. So you can just search whatever you want, okay? And it's gonna pull up a bunch of stuff. Sorry, I'm on Wi-Fi, I know that's totally not allowed. And you just search and, find something that you like. I think this bear one is really cute. Um, Here is the magic. You wanna hit this little copy link over here, and you wanna get this middle link, okay? Now you're gonna click it, control, copy, and we're gonna go right back over here to Zulip and paste it in there and watch. I'm gonna scroll down to see a message. When you use that middle link, it puts the actual GIF in there instead of a link to it. So there you go. Now you guys are all experts. I expect lots of Giphies in the future. Thanks for watching.